So friends, welcome to our channel. If you guys facing secure boot is not enabled in Battlefield 6, so guys watch this video till end because in this video I'm showing why this problem is coming and what is the solution of this problem. So guys follow these steps, and if you guys new on my channel, you can like this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So method 1, enable secure boot in BIOS. Restart your PC while it's booting. Press your BIOS key repeatedly, usually DEL, F2, F10 or ESC depending on your brand. Common keys by brand: asus DEL or F2, MSI DEL, HP F10, Dell F2, Lenovo F1 or F2. Inside BIOS, find the boot or security tab. Locate secure boot and set it to enable. If secure boot is grayed out, make sure boot mode UEFI, not legacy or CSM. Save changes, reboot or re-enter BIOS, then try again. Press F10 to save and exit. Boot back into Windows. Check secure boot status. After enabling, press Windows plus R, type msinfo32 and press enter. Find secure boot state. If it says on, you are good. If it says off, repeat the BIOS steps. I hope this helps you. Do like this video, don't forget to subscribe.